Hello, traders. Today is Friday and it is June 20th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. So, anyways, we're on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we have our Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. The daily did engulf down, so I would be recommending shorts right now. I would be paying very close attention to these fib levels. I mean, we already do have a little bit of a one, two, three waves up to a fib level. I would need to see a break of structure to confirm that it is going down in a big way, but three waves up to a Fibonacci bounce and golfing move to the downside is always what I'm looking for entries for the continuation of the higher time frame patterns. Whatever the higher time frame tells me to do is what I do on these shorter time frames. Higher time frame definitely turned down. Shorter time frames, put your Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move. Look for a Fibonacci bounce. Look for an engulfing move down, especially if it's three waves up. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner. And check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.